To operate the Samsung washing machine, make sure that the washing machine switch is on. Open the lid. Blow the clothes inside and close. Open this cover right here for fabric conditioner and detergent. To turn on, press this power button. Twist this knob. Twist this knob right here for program. Once you have selected the program, press this button right here. Need to hold this button. Wait for the washing machine to lock. Once the timer stops, you can turn off the washing machine and turn off the main switch.